Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a file type in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say this is the project I'm working on. I want to save it and change it into a different file type. So in that case, simply tap in this top corner, right corner, you can share option. Let's tap in there, and there you can see the download option. Let's tap in there, and there you can see the option of file type over here. Let's scroll it down, and there are various options of like what kind of file type you want to download it into, whether you want to download it into PDF standard or PDF print or BPTX, MP4 video, or JPG, whatever. So yeah, you can simply tap into PNG, or if you want to turn it into PDFs, you can simply tap in there. So this is how you change your file type, and once you're satisfied with whatever file type you want to choose, simply tap in this download option. So this is how you change file type in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.